Hi, I'm Kelvin Kelley with Watson Mortgage. I thought I'd talk to you today about FHA mortgages. See, the Federal Housing Administration, which is administered by HUD, we all know HUD, right? The FHA mortgage is designed for people that don't necessarily have the greatest credit or are looking for a low down payment. See, the low down payment part, it's only 3.5% down is a minimum requirement, and even that can be a gift from a relative or family member. The closing costs and prepaids can actually be paid for by the seller through seller concessions, up to 6% of the purchase price, which is way more than you should ever need. And then the payment itself, the interest rate for an FHA mortgage is typically lower than a conventional mortgage, usually about 0.5% lower than a conventional mortgage. So it's not a bad deal at all. Now there are monthly mortgage insurance requirements that runs at a rate of 0.85, and then there's a upfront mortgage insurance premium that is currently at 1.75, which gets added to the loan amount. So that affects the APR a little bit. It's not quite as good a deal as conventional if you were putting 20% down. It's not quite as good a deal if you were getting a VA mortgage if you were a veteran. So, but it is a great mortgage for people that don't necessarily qualify for conventional, don't have a whole lot of money down, and still want to buy a home. So FHA is a pretty big player in the mortgage industry. It has been since 07, 08. A lot of mortgages are closed under FHA. But the cool thing about FHA is even though the standard score requirement is a 640, we have a special FHA product that goes all the way down to a 580 credit score. Now, I caution you, just because the buyer has a 580 credit score doesn't mean they qualify for the program. If they've got a 580 credit score, there's usually something that has caused their score to drop to 580, and so that may, in fact, preclude them from being eligible for the 580 product. But, hey, at least it's another tool in our belt, another option for us to get people into homes, because that's what we want to do. So whatever I can do to help you out, whatever I can do to help your customer, whatever questions I can answer or pre-approvals I can issue for you, I'm more than happy to do that because I am on your side, I am on your team, and I am another tool in your belt for you to use and abuse. So, with that said, I'm Kelvin Kelley with Watson Mortgage, and I'll see you around.